Yo, my bad, guys. I'm trying to fix this audio. I'm not sure how to fucking work this thing. Still trying to work it. Hold up. If anybody knows how to fix the capture audio for stream, let me know on OBS. I'm trying to show this gameplay real quick. So the game is essentially, there's a bunch of AI agents. What's up, Mari? Can you hear me? So essentially, there's different AI agents are different characters. Oh yeah, I gotta fix this. The UI showing up like that. I don't like that. Gotta screenshot that. Okay. That broke. The troubles of studio. As I am playing the game, the pop-ups for the loot, like picking up items and leveling up and all that stuff, it's showing weird in the UI. Can you make sure that that shows up below the neural feed or the neural? What is that even called? What is that thing called again? The neural log, I think. Stream? Yeah, I think I called it a stream. Yeah, I went through several iterations of this game. This is like some earlier versions of it. Let me see, do I have the... I don't think I have the spirit bomb in this one. Let me see. Yeah, this one doesn't have the spirit bomb. Let me show you some gameplay of it real quick. For some reason, GPT 4.0 Mini is really good at this game. It's kind of weird why it is, but I don't know why it is. Actually, let me do a different model. Do that one. Wait, how does the audio even sound? Let me see. Wait, how does the audio even sound? Let me see. It's actually not bad. I bet. Let's see. Open router. Zukimi K. Initialize. So in this version, it doesn't have the spirit bomb. It does have the Kamehameha. I'm not sure if I have fusion in this one. In the other version, this one over here, the latest, it has all that stuff. But right now, I'm fixing a bug in it. But let me see. All right, it's bootstrapping still, so give it a second to initialize. And let me change. Right now, we have this grid. This is the early phase of it, actually. It doesn't even have the other, oh my gosh, yeah. It's so much different from where it is now, but this still works really well. So let me just show it. Initialize. So right now, these are the agents thinking. And then you can even play inside. Let me actually make a unit for myself. There we go. Let me hide this UI. Does hide UI still work? I don't even have a hide UI on this one. Damn. Yeah, I don't have anything on this one. So this is me. I'm this character right here. Let me try to use my beam. I don't even have the hotkeys on this one. Oh my gosh. Dang, this one is really bad. Let me see. Does the beam work on this? By the way, this is made all in Gemini. Gemini is a GOAT. G3 is amazing. Wow, I can't even use beam on this one? Yeah, I gotta show you the latest version. Oh nah, this one is whack. The attack work. So it started off as an extraction shooter arena for AI agents, in a way, kinda. But it kinda evolved to, I don't even know where it's at now. Now it's like a Dragon Ball Z different game modes, death matches, battle royale, boss fights. Like I have Brawly in there. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, let me see. I'm actually surprised the beam doesn't work on this one. Interesting. Am I doing it wrong? Maybe I changed it. Yeah, this one, the beam doesn't even work. Yeah, this is a really flawed version. All right, let me refresh that. Yeah, that's the whack version of it. Let me go to the better version right here. Oh, it fixed it. Okay. I said also as I'm playing the game, oh yeah, I want to make this change. So let me tell it real quick. Can you make these changes? But before you make any changes, plan and brainstorm and architect the changes and make sure they do not break any of the code. And think of any other implementations or features you think will go well with the app and complement the different areas and logic, etc. All right, is that good? All right, that's it. Right, perfect. Okay, I might let that cook. Actually, I might want to do one test real quick. I hope I don't get another error, but we'll see. I just want to show you something. I know some people just joined. Let me see. All right, here is the API key. Full screen that. Let me put my grok in. So the reason I say it's like Dragon Ball Z is because I have the Spirit Bomb, Kamehameha, there's fusions, and there's this, what else is in there? Sorry, let me think. There's a instant transmission. Oh yeah, Super Saiyan as well. Crazy. So yeah, there's different game modes for them. So essentially, they're all different agents. Whether it be GPT-4, you can pick your model, and then you can also add a little extra system prompt for them. And then you can also see that system prompt evolved over time. And it's basically a simulation, the battle arena for these agents. And it's gonna be like a benchmark. That's my goal. So let's do the battle royale. It's actually interesting. We can do the boss raid later, but let's do the battle royale because you can essentially see an extraction. The agents have to leave the simulation. It's kind of weird, and it's weird how they work. And some agents like leave immediately. And when you're playing as a human, and you're playing with them, and I try to attack them, a lot of them will like run away and just extract, or even just like one shot me with the spirit bomb. It's kind of funny. So let me use 4.0 mini there for sub agents. Let me change it so so I also added the shadow clone jutsu. So I'm a big anime fan, so I do a lot of different. That's why I have Dragon Ball Z here. So I also have One Piece a little bit with hockey. So they have perception hockey. So this is the computational world. There's also this is the physical world. So this is the physical world that the agents live in, and then they have this world where it's like computation, and it basically kind of manages the reasoning. And you see how it dips in the map. It represents a space and then warping the space around them. And I think it would be better to show you a gameplay. But basically, it's two realms, and thinking agents has access to both realms, while non-thinking agents only has access to this physical realm that you see in here. And then you press R to go in between the two realms. So let me show actually I like this realm. This one looks better to look at. Let's leave it at that one. All right, let me change the sub agents. Okay, that one is good. What did I pick? Oh, I picked Battle Royale. Okay, let me do, if you have any requests for any agents to test out, let me know. I can easily test them, and I'm interested in testing different ones. Initialize. Oh, I should also I would do a strategy. I don't want to do a strategy for them. I'll do a strategy for this one. I'll do 4 agents and I'll do 2 with strategies. I'm gonna use open router for this one, and let's do GLM. Let's do sub agents, the grok because they're fast. And then for the strategy for this one, let's do berserker. No, let's do aggressive rusher. Initialize that. Add one more unit. See, he just got added right here, this little guy. This is gonna be the new bad boy. The new Google model. I tested it earlier before and it was okay, but like I don't know, if for some reason because it thinks so long, I think that's where it doesn't do as well as the other models. But it still does well. Like, you know what's really good? 2.5 flash. Oh my gosh, it goes crazy. All right, so let's do a strategy. Let's make it a berserker. I just want to see how crazy it can go, and hopefully it does not crash because I haven't been getting crashes a lot. Hold up, 1 second. There we go. Sorry, I gotta be on the call. All right, initialize. Okay. We have 4 agents, and you know what? I'm gonna put myself in there. I'm actually scared sometimes. These agents are hella aggressive, so I haven't tested the human user in a minute. So let's see if it works. It'll be a really good test. All right, 3, 2, 1. Make sure everything looks good. Yep. All right, let's start sim. Wait, backup unit. DeepSeek 1 didn't get. Did it get initialized? This is when it doesn't, like, if the initialization didn't work. Okay, that means, there we go, we fixed it. All right, that initialized properly. All right. No. Okay, I thought I just went back. Whew. All right, let's do this. Initialize. Okay. All right, so let me find. Oh my gosh, I gotta fix that alerts on the left side. Where's my character? Oh my gosh, the game crashed. No. Hey Oceania fam, what's up? How you doing? Trying to make sure this app runs. Let's see what this error is. I wasn't getting any errors at all in the past while working at this. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open a new version of the app for you guys. And then, so that I can see how it looks. Cause right now it's in a version that's been like broken a little bit. So let me see. I can go to snapshots. I'm not sure which snapshot will be a good one right now. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Let me see. Hold up. Also, if you have any questions, guys, let me know about the build or anything. I can answer it while I troubleshoot this and fix it. It's my first time streaming on Twitch and stuff, so let me know if I need to do anything. I can change it up. So right now I'm just fixing the app. The main goal of the app is an arena for AI agents, and as I was making this app, I've been realizing that it's becoming like more about like managing compute and reasoning and thinking, and the agents have to essentially manage their own system prompts and their thinking and the compute, because all the agents in the arena share the same compute essentially, or they have to like manage the same compute. It's like the one pool of compute that they all can use essentially. And yeah, they work together in using some Dragon Ball Z inspired themes, like using the Kamehameha and the Spirit Bomb. I really want to show you guys some of that action. I just wish I saved some of those builds. I can go back. It's gonna take a minute though. That's why I just don't feel like doing that right now. But I'm gonna do a quick death match. I also have team battle, by the way. It's very interesting to see. But let's do a quick death match so I can test it out. Let's see if it works. Let's do Grok because it's fast. Configure full screen this. Grok. Let's do that bad boy. I'm gonna do a quick aggressive one. Nope, I can't do that one. Yeah, that's a lot of calls to the same model. You know what? Let me just go back to Google. Yeah. Grok. Strategy, I'll make him the Berserker. Alright, initialize. Okay. Zoom out the map. I hope the human input's not, actually I gotta add my character because the human input, I'm not sure if it worked or not. So let's see, human, okay, initialize, okay. The UI can get a little chaotic, that's why I like to hide it. Wait, is it working? I think this is me right here. My camera's following. Oh yeah, I gotta fix some things. But I guess we can see some gameplay. The game is not crashing, which is good. I'm happy about it. You can see some of the gameplay. So this is them thinking. When they're thinking in this mode, you see a well form. And then right now, this is a camera mode where it follows the action. I gotta improve this a little bit because it's doing some stuff right now. And I gotta make it when you're in, let me write that in now actually. Wait, actually, let me see this full screen. Actually, it's not bad. Hiding the UI. That's not bad. Yeah, I still want to make this UI on the right. Hold up, let me screenshot this. Put that back. Screenshot this. Just making some notes. Changes. So the game is playing right now. They're playing. I don't know what they're doing right now. For some reason, the visual Kamehameha is not showing right now. The beams, I don't know why. I wonder if any agent has a spirit bomb yet. Let's see. It's easier to view it in this mode. Uh-oh. Let's see what's going on. Wait, is my character still alive? Oh no, I'm still alive here. But I don't think my arrows are working. The W's, let me see. Yeah. The movement's not working for the human user. Let me update this. So at least the game's not crashing. I want to pause it in a second, but I just want to see if any agent will. So essentially the spirit bomb is a pickup, and so is the Kamehameha. They're both pickups in the game. I do want to add better visuals for the game so y'all can understand. I think the spirit bomb's like right here or something. But hold up, my camera is automatic right now. Let me move it. I think this is a spirit bomb. One of these orbs. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna be streaming I was gonna stream my whole entire development process, which I should, because there was some really interesting different builds that I made, but it was just it was a huge process. But I think where it's at now, like, I cannot believe where it's at, honestly. I'm shocked that Gemini 3 can create this through iteration. And this is all through the studio app builder. I'm getting 30 errors. What is the error? Let me see. Is it any API calls? Okay, the simulation completed. Who won? Okay. The loot. Oh yeah, this dude went crazy. He got 9 loot, no cores, so they didn't kill anybody. Let's look at the map. Board, close and spectate. I gotta make some changes. Okay, first let me think. Pop-ups for the loot, items are leveling up and stuff is showing. Alright, can you make these changes? Let me add the screenshots real quick. And then the other changes I noticed. Okay. I want to also say that, what else I noticed? Anything? Oh, while playing as the human agent, I noticed that the WASD controls weren't working. Make sure all controls work for the human agent when playing as it. And also when playing as a human agent, the automatic camera thing that happens when like that game does to find different highlights and like the camera automatic workflow we have, disable it or adapt it or update it so that when you're playing as the human agent, it doesn't do that. You want to follow the human agent since you're playing as that agent. And then when you're in spectator mode or when you're not playing as a human agent, you can have that dynamic camera workflow thing. But we just got to make sure the camera workflow looks nice for the recordings as well as the gameplay as the human agent. So look over that and make sure you brainstorm, plan, and architect before making any changes. Sorry for that long-winded blah blah, guys. I was just trying to get the thoughts out. Let me see. Okay, let me see anything else I noticed. This is why I started developing online, because I could have easily told me other things to like look at and change while I'm working on it. So it's okay though. At least I'm in a good place with the app, so I'm happy. Honestly, I love Dragon Ball Z. I love anime, and I like seeing agents like learn and challenge each other. And I don't know, it really to make it into a benchmark. I think it's fun. So let me think of what else changes. Oh, I gotta make sure the visual, because I haven't seen the Spirit Bomb in a minute. Make sure that the Spirit Bomb and the beam Kamehameha attack is working and the visuals for that work as expected. Make sure the app is working correctly. Look over the code, make sure there's no errors, and make sure the something else I wanted to change. Let me think. Is F work right now? F is not working. Make sure that after a simulation is run, you can still use controls like F to show the UI, and so you can like edit the different agents, etc. Like make sure all the functionality works properly in the app. Make sure the items show properly on the map, especially in physical mode for when users are viewing the game. Make sure it's easy to see and it's like well defined. Make sure that like all the visuals are on point and aesthetically pleasing, and the combat is pristine. I'm saying a lot. This is how I develop, honestly, and this is what I do. I just talk to it and say stuff. Okay, so if you join, you can see how you develop an app like this. This is how I do it. So let me copy this just in case it gets deleted, and then I should get the debug report of this. Oh no, wrong thing. Debug. Ooh, yes. Got it. Here is the neural logs last run. See where we can improve based on the results. And this is just a log of the game, so this helps with development. So anytime you're working on an app, I would say add a way to log the information that happens within the game, because it makes it easier to like you can easily copy that and just send it back to the agent, and it's just easier to troubleshoot it. So I'm gonna let me just copy this real quick just in case it does some weird stuff, and reset that so the error doesn't show up. Let me see, how long is this? Oh yeah, this context is low. Okay, I'm gonna do this, run this, see how it looks. Okay, hopefully the goal tonight for this stream is to get the Kamehameha, the Shadow Clone, and the Spirit Bomb working correctly, because it seems like they were working earlier. The Shadow Clone was working a little bit, but the Kamehameha was working, the Spirit Bomb was working, the Super Saiyan was working, which was crazy. It was insane to see it. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. This is gonna iterate and iterate until we get it. But I need some food though, so I might order something in a little bit. So we're gonna let this cook. I wish I could show you the older versions though, while I'm like, I do have the older versions somewhere, honestly. I just don't really feel like digging through stuff. I'm thinking, will it be a few hours ago? What time is it? Nah, it's not 9. I think maybe 5 hours. The thing about it, I don't want to do this and then it just ruins what I have going on here. So let me just wait for this to finish, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a version that works so that y'all can just see some of the gameplay of this crazy app and how these crazy little agents do spirit bombs and stuff. Honestly, actually I know which one it is. It's honestly, it could be the one 15 hours. Yeah. or 9. One of these. I'm gonna try the 8 or 9 one, and we'll see. I might try the 8 one. I'm afraid the 8 one might be an error though. That'd be like random. Alright, so after this one is done, then we're gonna try. How many views we have on? I can't even see the views on YouTube. I have no idea. I guess we just keep. If you're on YouTube, actually, I think I can see the viewers, the messages. Audio. 1 second. See the viewers. Oh, there we go. I can see now. Okay. Yeah, see if you comment on YouTube, I can see the messages. Let me know if you have any questions while we wait about the app, about what it is. I do have videos of it, I think. Let me see. See what I can show y'all. Okay, I got some gameplay for y'all. Hold up. So y'all some gameplay. Let's do some of these earlier 18 hours. Let's see. This is some earlier stuff. See how the spirit bomb, does that look crazy? And I used to have it white. I think I might, let me know if you want me to change the color on these other versions. Should I use that, go back? But yeah, I had an issue here where it was just, these agents were all using spirit bomb. And I was like, nah, like, so essentially I had spirit bomb and Kamehameha and different abilities. And for some reason, the agents, because the spirit bomb is a one shot, but I told him the spirit bomb drains all energy. It drains all compute, so it can't think as much and all that stuff. So it still does it still went to the spirit bomb and just used it immediately and one shot at the nearest agent, and it kept on doing it. I'm like, these agents are ruthless, and they all did that. That was very common. So I had to change the code so that they didn't use or didn't have access to the spirit bomb as much or as easy, because they would just spirit bomb and then extract. They'll get their loot and then they'll leave. So it was originally an extraction shooter. That's how it started, and then I evolved it over time. But yeah, this is how much time is left. Oh, it's a long video. Let me see. Yeah, I want to see if I have any Kamehameha video, because the beams, yo, it looks so crazy. Essentially, the beams would warp. So I was trying to use some of like physics where, like how light be bending with like gravity and stuff. So I was like, maybe with the warp, you see how we have two different realms, the physical and the compute realm in this game. And basically in the compute realm, it like warps. Like you see it a warping. So like as you see, wait, oh, it fixed, nice. I'm gonna put my keys in for this so we can start the sim while I show you these videos of what it was. I really hope this works, man. I'm being honest. I just want to get it back into a state, because that's the thing with AI development, is that you can get into a perfect state that's working, and then you can easily get into that bad state, and then it just doesn't work, and then you just setting circles, fixing it, and then it usually you have to go back another step or to a previous step that worked, and go from there. But I've developed so much from the last nice save that I really just want to make sure this works. So I think I can get it though. I think this is gonna work now. So if you have any suggestions on which game mode to play, let me know. I'm down to, we can try anyone, but I think for now, just for testing purposes, I'm gonna do deathmatch because it's easy. It's one-on-one, or I can do multiple. I'm gonna do 3 because I want to add myself in the game. Let me just make sure I really hope the AI fixed it, man. Let me see, open router, 4 mini, strategy, aggressive, sub. Let's do R1. Okay, initialize. Let's do Grok. 5 mini been pretty good too, so let me use him. Let me use DeepSeek for this for sub agents. In strategy, let's do a camper. No. Standard. Initial, and then I should have did Berserker for that one. I'm gonna do one more agent, and I'll do one for me. So I'm gonna do mine right here, human, and then for open router. Which one I wanted? I said I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I want to do a Berserker, but which model? Oh yeah, let's do the custom G3. Sorry if I'm like speaking out loud. This is how I'm developing. This is my vibe code state. Strategy, Berserker, sub agents. Let's do 4.0. This one might win honestly, because 4.0 mini. I'm telling you, 4.0 mini is cracked at this game for some reason. All right, let's make sure all of it initialize. Okay, initialize. This one, it's bootstrapping. Okay, all right, perfect. Okay, I hope the camera fixed too. Let's see. Initialize sim. All right, let's see. Oh yes, the movement's back. So I'm this character right here. This is my character 4, unit 4. Let me change the worlds. Okay, this is the physical world. Let me zoom in. Oh my gosh, no, no. Why? I don't even want to see the error. Okay, before I do that, let me do this. Let me find a snapshot that was working to show you guys, to prove to you guys that I had some good gameplay. I'm gonna go to several ones. I'm gonna go to this one 9 hours ago. Restore to this version. Copy. Oh, wrong button. There's some more gameplay of it, by the way, where it actually worked. See, look, oh my gosh. I'm telling you, these agents love the spirit bomb. Sorry, oh yeah, this is a warning for your eyes. The agent added that because of the Dragon Ball Z effect. So this agent won in this game, was a quick game. It destroyed them with that spirit bomb. Let me see some other gameplay. What's this one? I would post these as videos, but I just don't have time, honestly. I'd rather just do a quick stream. Oh, you see? I'm not crazy. The comment, okay, right there, the Kamehameha looks so little, but that's because the agents don't like to charge the Kamehamehas. I don't know why they don't, but some agents, I actually like this. I might actually go back to this version. This version looks so clean. I ain't even gonna lie. Not really, it's kind of crazy right now. Like, this is like hurting my eyes. Let me just, yeah, it's done. But you can see the Kamehameha. So you see where I was going with it, how the gravities of warping based on the compute and the reasoning. And then you have the two worlds and the different agents. They use the Kamehameha. Let me see if I can get a video of it real quick, a little screenshot. Oh, they had a beam clash. Oh my gosh, I finally got it on. I've been struggling for hours trying to visualize a freaking AI doing a beam. Wait, was that even a beam clash? Because I implemented the beam clash. See the Kamehameha? Doesn't that look clean? I gotta screenshot this. If you don't understand, this is clean to me. If you're an anime fan, to see an AI agent, I don't know which AI agent, is probably GPT 4.0 mini because it's very aggressive and it's on Demon Time. But damn, that looks clean. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to see. I might bring the app back to where it looked like this because this is clean. You can't even lie. Let me see. Did I get a beam clash? I thought it was a beam clash because of the way it looked, but I guess it wasn't. Let me see this one. Alright, what else? Obviously, you see the spirit bombs. This one's hurting my eyes. I know. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let me close that out. More gameplay. He's gathering the spirit bomb, see? I told you it's probably GPT 4.0. See how, oh my, I might go back to this old gameplay. This is beautiful. Isn't that, I don't know if y'all, this makes me excited. Seeing AI agents play Dragon Ball Z. Are you kidding me? The AI agent just threw a spirit bomb at the other agent. This AI agent just threw a spirit bomb. Look, are you see? I'm saving this. This is crazy gameplay. I like where I didn't review this footage. Look at this. Ha! My dude gathers energy and uses the spirit bomb. And while that happens, I actually might have to clip this. While that happens, this agent over here is doing Kamehameha to this agent. Look. See, 3, 2, 1. Bink. Ooh, ha! Man, these agents were on Demon Time. So I think they're clashing here. You see the little red? I gotta fix some of the animations and the work, but he just killed that agent, it looks like. Another agent up there was doing a spirit bomb. I ain't gonna lie, I want to be able to go back to this version of the app. And it might be not necessarily impossible, but it might be hard. I ain't gonna lie, this version looks clean. It worked. I wonder what the issue was, why I changed it. I think this is why, because they're just sitting there not doing anything. Or are they collecting? Let's see. He's collecting. They're collecting. See, they're collecting compute. They're doing something. See? Yeah, they're collecting stuff. Let's see. Let's fast forward a little bit. Yeah, I think that's why I wanted to improve. Oh no. One of them started doing the spirit bomb. My dude teleported next to them and did a freaking spirit bomb. He's a savage. Oh, he said, nah, me too. So that guy just died from that spirit bomb. He is also charging one. He's probably gonna hit him. Or him. Let's see. I wish I would have switched to the physical view instead of here, because you just not really seeing the yeah, I changed the game so much from what it is right now. Now that I'm thinking about it. Alright, nothing really changed. Alright. Whew. Okay. Let's try. So the death match is in this version that I just found. No. Boss rate with the teams is not in. Let's see if this one works. Good thing I have so many versions of it. I can easily go back to any past. So I guess I can always use it. So that's good. It's not a version I like actually. I don't like how zoomed in it is. See, these versions don't use the Kamehameha and stuff. Like, yo, why are they not using the moves? Like, we just charging. What they... And I have like music and effects with the app, but it also has like a weird humming that I don't like, so that's why I'm not using it. So this is my character right here. I'm not able to, I can gather to make, oh crap, they do, oh nah, what is up with them, bro? Why are they using spear bombs? What is up with them? Wait, why's my beam not working? That's what happened. See, the beam stopped working. And the beam is supposed to be able to like interrupt the spear bomb where you can do like a beam clash. But my beam's not working, so I might as well just gather a spear bomb. Let me gather a spear bomb like them, bro. Let me hit them real quick. Hey, look at that. Ooh! See, they're stuck in a little, that's why they're bumping like that, because they're stuck in a gravity well, or a computational well, whatever I guess we're calling it in this game. Alright, I'm gonna see if the firing works. Bruh, no way did it just fire in the wrong direction. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Let me just attack these agents. What agents are these? These agents are idiots. Why does it say fear? I never even added that, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, now I'm stuck in the gravity well. Yep. Oh, fuck me. Why did I get too close? I don't think I can get out. I'm like stuck. Let me see. Am I stuck? Yep. Yo, this is crazy. I actually like this version. Get the hell out. Yeah, I'm gathering too. F it. Ah, you can't beat him, join him. Ah. Oh, what you thought this was? And they don't know how to fire it. I'm firing my crap. And I think firing it, I gotta fire with W. Let me see. Which way am I looking? Let me see. Hopefully it aims them. Bro, what? No. Did he just hit me? Oh no. See, this, I think with this version, the agents didn't know how to throw the spirit bomb. And look, they're taking up all the compute with this crap. It's just literally just consuming. So this shows how much compute is in the world, like that's not being used by an agent. So right now you see the number going down. That means that these agents were just accumulating compute for some reason. I don't know who they were trying to throw that spirit bomb at, but they were going crazy. But yeah, I had another version where the spirit bomb got so big. That was insane, man. It was like almost destroyed the map. So let me this version is not bad. So I'm gonna keep this open. Let me do here to find another version. Let me try to think what version would have the Kamehameha working right. Honestly and truly, let's do 15. It's a random freaking. It's actually kind of fun doing this, going to random points of the past development. Like you never know what you're about to get. Insert simulation. It's like the same exact version. Yeah, I'm gonna do a different version. I'm gonna go even deeper. Let's go to like yesterday. Let's go 19. How is boss rate still here? Oh, okay, this is a new one. Okay, let's see this one. For a mini. See, I like these versions because I don't got all that extra stuff like the agents and the strategies and crap. It took man long to initialize stuff. All right, let's start this. It's actually fun actually having these old versions. See? Like, I don't know, I might go back to some of these old versions, man. Some of them look kind of cool. He's doing the spirit bomb. Like, these old versions, they were on demon time though. Like, these agents, like, for some reason, they love doing the spirit bomb. This is actually a good version. So he's charging it. He's not releasing it. Oh, he released it. Oh, yeah. Yo, who is this one? Oh my gosh, he's a goat. He just clocked that one. You seen that? He was holding the spirit bomb and then just violated that other dude. Let me see why. He said, I need to polish myself. I need to position myself closer. He's trying to extract him. You see, he's extracting. Oh, he's leaving. He's up through. This is a good version. He's leaving now. Bye. Look, let me see. Wait, he's not leaving. He's getting more. Maybe this version he couldn't get out. Let me see. Okay, he's charging a spirit bomb. I don't know why he is. Maybe he's... Okay, he just shot a spirit bomb. Let's see what he does. Let's see if he extracts. Let's see how it looks here. Oh, yeah, there we go. He extracted. Okay, so it worked. The thing, I think that one, I fixed it because it took too long to extract. I was like, why is that happening? But that was still smooth gameplay. I like that gameplay. Honestly and truly, I might go back to this the way it is here and just build from here. So basically, if you're joining the stream now and wondering what's going on, I'm trying to find an earlier point in my project because I have a point here that's like breaking. And I'm like, yeah, I'm trying to show off the project a little bit to show you guys how it works, but I can't do that if the project is breaking. So yeah, I'm going to earlier versions and seeing a more stable version that maybe I could potentially build off of or do something with, but I'm trying to find where the Kamehameha works and the whole game loop works properly. Because right now I know the Spirit Bomb works in these versions, but I want to see if the actual Kamehameha one works. So let me do this real quick. Reload the app one more time. Deathmatch, enter. Let me add a bunch of agents now. Let me do 5 agents. Let's do open router, 4.0 mini, initialize. Let's do open router, 5 mini. The reason I do these models, by the way, is because they're cheap, and also they're pretty good. They're solid models and they're fast. This model, Grok 4.1 fast, it's really cheap, but for some reason the Sherlock model is good at this game, but this model is ass at this game. I don't know why. Like the Grok 4.1 is just not good at it. Install. Wait, what's going on? There's an issue with this model. Did they change the name? Oh, there's a fast free. Oh, that's what I gotta change it to. Okay, that's what they did. Oh wait, I'm confused. Oh well, let me try this. Hold up, let me go back to it. So this one didn't work. Let me try custom. Let's do that. Please work. Okay, that one didn't work. Let's try the free version. Well, they both look free, but I don't know why one of them says free. Maybe there's different usage. Okay, this model is not working. Is it showing errors? Oh, it is. I don't want to look at those errors right now. Okay, so maybe that was the issue with this one. Maybe maybe I didn't put the right API key. Let me redo it again. That could be an issue. Let me do one more time. I know the Grok one is correct. I have 2 open router API keys, that's why. Alright, deathmatch, enter simulation. Let's try one more time. Open router. Let's do this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna do a different model. Kimi K, that one works. Yeah, for some reason that model's not working, but I stopped using it anyway because it's not that good at this game. But actually, I'm not sure if it is good because the thing about it, the game mechanics change every time. Like, as we implement, I'm making changes with Gemini, and like it changes. So sometimes like 4.0 mini was doing the best, but then one other time Gemini 2.5 Flash was doing amazing. And I don't like doing the Gemini models, by the way, because I don't want to use my usage in Studio, because I'm already using it to help build it. So I don't want to use it over more, like too much in the while I'm actually testing. But I don't mind doing the what's it called? Sorry, I'm a little tired, guys. I've been developing on this like nonstop. Which one I want to try again? Oh yeah, let's do the new Gemini 3.1. See, I don't know what happened to Grok. I really wanted to try it again. But the Sherlock models are really good at this. So sorry for the tabs. This is some of the tabs. Alright, initialize. Okay, got some good models. If you have any suggestions on any other models to add, let me know. Actually, let's add one more for little flare. Let's do another Gemini model. No, actually, you know what? Just for you guys, I want to break the bank. Let's do Sonnet. I know y'all were interested in it. Y'all were curious of how would Sonnet do. And I'll break the bank real quick and watch these tokens. Look, let's watch my usage. Watch this, like, I gotta pay. I promise you, after this run, I have to put money in. But usually I can go multiple runs without paying, because it's I don't know why it doesn't use a lot of money in tokens. I don't know. I gotta look into the code, but it just doesn't. Only some models like Sonnet, obviously, and even Gemini does, but it's like manageable still. So which one is this? Wait, custom, Sonnet, initialize. See, wait, is Sonnet not working? Something. Wait, I got the wrong one. I got Haiku. My fault, guys. Wrong one. But either way, it said that it wasn't working. Maybe the provider is wrong. Huh. Something's up with the code for custom, and I think it's something with the API call. I gotta fix that. So we can't try Sonnet right now. But another model we could try is did I do DeepSeek? Is that up here? No. Okay, let's do DeepSeek. So the reason I know it didn't work is because it says backup. Usually when it doesn't work, it's supposed to create its own persona, and the agent, when it gets bootstrapped and initialized, it gets its own persona. It basically comes up with its best strategy and persona, and basically like it can be a mage. Like, I'm not sure which one is this one. I have different iterations of the app. I'm not sure if this one has the mage stuff. But this one, let me see the Grimoire. He has Photon Beam, Warp Step, Void Bomb. So that's a Spirit Bomb. Phase Shift is the instant transmission. Thunder Stomp, I have no idea what that is. The AI sometimes creates some crazy stuff. Nanite Shield, I guess that's a shield. So yeah, this is one of the versions. It doesn't have the mage or the different like roles. But like, yeah, I'll go back and show you guys another one if y'all want to see. But yeah, that should be it for this. So yeah, when it initializes, when it doesn't show a name, and if it shows backup something, that means that it went to a backup agent because it didn't get initialized. So let me start the sim. Let me zoom out a little bit. Initialize. All right. See, the reason I like this version of it is because, oh, what's going on there? It's because how they're powering up. I like the animation for the power-ups. But only thing I don't like about this version is that they don't really move too much around each other. Like, they're not really... Oh wait, never mind. He just attacked him. Oh my gosh. He just one-shotted him with his... Oh, I just missed that action. Hold up. So I have a dynamic camera that automatically tries to follow. I was having an issue trying to show the gameplay. So I told Gemini to like implement a camera system that follows the action somehow. And this is it, essentially. This is one of the versions of it. There's a better version of it on this one right here that I need to fix, but yeah, if I'm trying to drag it and it pops randomly, it's because it's doing that, because he just did a Kamehameha, see? And he's doing it to this guy, but he can't reach because the range, he needs to level up a little bit more. He's about to die. He's got clapped. Who he got clapped by? So basically, I made 2 realms. So I got inspired by these 2 different realms. So this is the physical realm. This is the compute realm. And I kind of wanted to be like more like how the Force, how you have in Star Wars. This is the Force realm, and all agents connect to this computational realm where they can reason, and I don't know, you can see the code more. in that language, and you can see this better in the newer versions of the app. But yeah, I want it to be like similar to how you have like energy. So in the physical realm, it will be energy and key, but in the computational realm will be like computation and stuff. So the ball will look like numbers and stuff, like the matrix numbers in here. Right now it looks like a black hole because it's an older version, but the the version you'll see like a little numbers ball thing, and then in this realm you see the spirit bomb and it looks like key. So that's what I was doing, and I also did that with hockey a little bit. And I'm trying to think of what else. Yeah, so that was the inspiration behind the two realms. And I was thinking, like, imagine making power systems this way, where you have this realm as a power system that so essentially these thinking agents, only thinking agents can access this realm, and they can also teleport, because this realm bends reality a little bit, and you see how it bends the map. You can teleport to different spots and do different things, and you see how the stuff goes to the agent when it thinks. As it's thinking, it dips down, and the more thinking it does, the more and the more deeper it bends the world, and essentially you can gather resources, and essentially in the newer version of the app, the Kamehameha and the Spirit Bomb are like skills or like slash commands. Essentially, you can learn. The agents can learn and pick up on the map, and they have to do a phase of learning, and they can also learn from another agent that may learn a skill. And essentially, when agents die, they lose all the information about the game, and whoever gets extracted, like this agent just got extracted out, he keeps all of his memories and all the information of the game, and he also can pick up different items of the different people that died in the game. Let me show you his inventory. So look, you see, as you can see in these other agents. Wait, who survived? Why is it showing me all of them alive? Oh wait, what is this? Oh man, I gotta fix this. I was gonna show you the information, but essentially it's just deathmatch. I meant to do extraction, and I gotta change. This is an old version, so that's why it's a little buggy and it's unexpected. But essentially, when the agent leaves, it has all the information from the game, and then it can then go into the next simulation, like an extraction shooter. It can basically know all that information and basically plan better, and it actively updates its strategy and its system prompt to basically play the game better. And if the agent dies in the simulation, they lose all the information, and another agent can pick it up, and so on, and repeats. And essentially the main goal of this is to manage reasoning and how agents reason, and to basically make that it's a better way of like managing it, essentially, because we always see how do we know how much tokens the agents are using, as well as how much reasoning they're doing, and like routers. I know OpenAI has their own router for that and stuff, but I was saying, what if you did it in a game where that was like the main plot, where you going through resources, like the resources compute, and then and reasoning essentially, and they have to like basically there's a set amount of reasoning or compute within the system, and they all have to share it. And you can gather with the Spirit Bomb, or you can use it, you can disperse it with the Spirit Bomb or the Kamehameha, and then I don't know. So essentially, it's basically how agents work together and manage compute, as well as you have different system prompts that are injected in the beginning of the simulation that they essentially can morph, and they basically update the system prompt as they play the game, and as they communicate with other agents and see the information of the game, they basically update it to get better at the game. And they also do that after every simulation if they are able to get out of it. And yeah, so basically it can forge that prompt. So I think the system might be a way of forging system prompts in a way. I don't know, we'll see. I have to do testing because this thing still doesn't work. So let me actually do an auto fix. Let's see if this can fix, because I want to show you how the most recent version of the app. And I want to get I wanted to play. I was in this game, I didn't even realize it. I forgot. I was just watching the gameplay. Hold up. Wait, did I even add my character? No, I didn't. Let me add. Wait, I gotta restart the sim. Let's do boss raid. That's very interesting to see. I'm not sure if it works in this version, by the way. So don't get your hopes up, guys. Honestly, the way it looks here, I know it's not gonna work actually. Let me just refresh that. It's supposed to show the boss here, like is the whole thing. And I know it's not. It's probably gonna act weird. Let me do 4.0 mini there. Actually, I'm gonna face it one-on-one. Let's see. Initialize system. I ain't scared of no 4.0 mini. What's up? Where you at, 4.0 mini? Oh snap! He charging. Hold on. Let me run. Wait, can I do my beam? Does the beam work? Did we check if the beam? Oh, the beam does work in this. Oh yeah, it's lit. All right, where he at? But the aim don't work with it, I don't think. Let me see. The charge doesn't work. Hold up. I mean to press. Oh crap, he's doing it. Hold up, I need charge. No, don't do that. Hit him. Oh, I missed. Fuck. No. Back up. Oh no, I'm missing. No, he's gonna get me. This dude is cracked. Hold on, let me gather too. Let me do it too. Oh, he killed me. Wait, did he kill me? I'm still alive. Oh, it's a death match. Oh yeah, he did kill me, but there's respawn and deathmatch. I forgot. In extraction, there's no respawn. You know what? Because you want to hit me with a freaking spirit bomb, let me hit you with a spirit bomb. Yo, he spawn camping me, bro. Yo, what the hell? He just spamming spirit bomb. This is, by the way, I'm in the red. GPT-4o is in freaking blue. Let me do Kamehameha. This looks more like a freaking Gala gun, by the way. And it's missing. I need to fix the aim. Let me see. What if did I change the aim by the arrow? Maybe it's by arrow. Let me see. Cause it's different. It depends on. He keeps killing me. How many kills does he have? Am I tracking? Yeah, he has 2 kills. He's cooking me. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie. I like this version, but yeah. If this version over here don't work, I might go back to this version and just build from here because it's in a good state. I can build easily. I know exactly what to fix. Like if the fixes that are required for this version is manageable. Oh yeah, what's up now? You want to freaking spear bomb me, bum? Hold on, let me see how it looks here. Bink! Oh, he killed me! Yo, wait, did he get me? Yo, he is a freaking cheater. I don't like him, bro. Hold on, he's just spamming spirit bomb. Hold up, just eat that. Did I get him? I think the issue is agents, they have like auto aim. I had auto aim for the human by my player, but I changed it because I felt bad. I was like, this is kind of cheating. And ever since I took off my auto aim, like even the attack, let me see, I used to have auto aim where I can hit them anywhere in the map, and I kind of felt bad. I'm like, damn, they started running away from me. I was like, man, they're running away and extracting. Kind of feel like, I don't know, it's weird. Hold on, I'm getting a call. Alright, let me close that. Hold up, let me see. I'm gonna hit him now, it's gonna work. You wanna spirit bomb me? Bro, he just shot me again. You know what? I got something for him. You wanna do that to me? Hold up. Let's do a battle royale. Because I wanna see that. I wanna run the fair one with him a little bit. I wanna run the smokes with 4.0 mini. I got smoke with him. Let me bring in 4.6, even though 4.6 is booty cheeks. I ain't gonna lie, it's not bad. It's not booty cheeks. Overall, by the way, if y'all have any questions, let me know. Kimmy K. Let's do. By the way, if you want to see how much that cost, that run, it was credits. See, barely. Like this is nuts. Look at that, barely. I don't know why it doesn't use as much as I thought. That's so weird. But I ain't complaining. Oh yeah, did I pause this one? This one's probably like, I might not be using my credits. Let me refresh this. Okay. Bro, what? See, Kimmy be weird. I don't know what's up with these Kimmy. I don't know what's up with them, but they did some, like all agents be doing some like regular stuff. Like look, Zara Vortex, that's an interesting name. Yeah. Kaylin Void Whisperer, interesting. And that was from GLM. You got Kimmy K. Colon. What the fuck? Let me try to initialize it again. What is wrong with him? I think he's misbehaving. Alright, while he's doing that, let me bootstrap this other agent. Who did I add? Did I add 4.0, 5.0? I don't like this version because I can't do Gemini 3 in this one. Or Sonnet. It's okay. I promise y'all it's gonna work. Oh, this is the master branch. This is current right now. See, deathmatch team battle is way better than the other version. Let me see. Yeah, I want to actually let's do boss battle. I'm gonna show y'all boss battle. Please, please, guys, pray for me. Hopefully, it works and it fixes all the errors because I've been wowed by this. Like I've been amazed by watching these agents like work together or fight each other, and just it's hilarious, honestly. Some of them be running immediately, like nope. Some of them be collecting resources. Some of them be fusing together, like on some like Road Dragon Ball Z stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was scared for a second. I was just no. All right. Before I initialize this one, because I'm scared, I really want it to work. You see how it looks, the boss? I told you I wouldn't work earlier because it wasn't highlighted like the boss and all that stuff. Let me start initializing it actually. Who y'all want for the boss? Let me know who y'all want for the boss and what agents you guys want for this simulation. I'll wait for some comments on which ones to do. While I wait, I am going to run this simulation over here. Let me see. Oh, he changed his name. Vex. Okay, that's more like it. All right, let's do 5 mini. Initialize. Let's add myself. Human. All right, he's bootstrapping. The screen looks good, and you can tell it's the older version because look at the map size. Like I went crazy, and you can see it's digital. You see the little matrix, digital compute world, the realm R, and then this is the physical realm. I need to change the physical realm a little bit better too. I don't know how to. Honestly, I've been like experimenting, but now they kind of look like Among Us characters. I'm gonna be honest. And when they go Super Saiyan, they like, or when they fuse based on their color, and they get bigger, I guess, and more powerful. But yeah, this is that. This is the latest version. It looks very crazy, but hopefully it's not crazy if it don't work. Oh my gosh, the system notifications. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. Yes, this is my latest update that was not working. This right here on the right. I'm happy it works. All right, let me show y'all the sim. By the way, anybody new? Actually, no, I won't show that. Let me just go back to it. All right, let's run this. Did he bootstrap? He did. All right, let's do it. Which one is? Let me find 4 Mini. I got smoke with this one. Vera Vortex. This one, okay. Let me put the camera on this bad boy. I think it's him. Let me zoom in a little bit. Player 0. Oh, power level. Why is it power level 0? That's weird. So I guess this red guy is Zero Vortex. The reason I'm singling him out because he like destroyed me. He was spamming. That agent was spamming like crazy in the other game. All right, let's run this. Okay, they're already charging. You know what? Let me just do a spirit bomb because these guys are bastards. I know they're gonna do it to me. So, let me take off the camera because the camera's messing me up. Oh, I hit him. Wait, did I hit him? Oh, I missed. This is extraction, right? Oh my gosh, they got me trapped. Look, they got me trapped right here. Let me put the camera on myself. You know, let me do my beam. They're bastards. Like, get me out of here, bro. The only way to get out is like a spirit, but I have no compute. I'm stuck in this gravity well. Did he just kill me? Oh no, I don't know that did. Okay. See, that's why it sucks being a human in this game. Okay, I got out. Oh my gosh, I was trapped in that well. Is that a sword? Oh no, I'm not getting that well. Let me just gather my resources. Oh no, I'm pulling them by accident. I don't want to pull them. Oh yeah, what's up, baby? Ooh! Yeah, I just left? Okay, no, I gotta fix that. It said I left, but I think I just gotta kill him. Let me just see. No, I didn't get a kill actually. No, I didn't get a kill. Oh no, he left. One of the units just dipped. I don't know which one just left the arena. He extracted. I don't even see the extraction point. Let me take the camera off. Where's the extraction point's not even here. Yeah, this version of the game is a little buggy. It's saying there's an extraction point, but I don't see the extraction zone anywhere. Let me do my Kamehameha because they're getting me salty. I just hope I can aim it. Did it aim? No, it didn't aim. Come on. Oh my gosh, it's not aiming now. Oh my gosh, my Kamehameha's not working. I don't even know who's alive. Let me just see. Oh, he's dead. This is a dead agent. I'm seeing the. Oh, this is a ghost. So cool. Alright. Did he just kill me? Yeah, this one's a little. Is it errors? Let me make sure there's no errors. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I don't like playing against the agents because they be doing the most wildest stuff. They be cheating. So you want to use a spirit bomb on me? I'm going to use it back to you. Yeah, how you like that? See, I cannot aim. See, it doesn't let me aim as an agent, as a human. Okay, whatever. Let's go to the stable. This is the latest version, guys. Who is ready for this? Y'all tell me which agents y'all want me to use. Nobody commented. Okay, I guess I have to come up with the ideas. 4-0. Let's make 4-0. Actually, yeah, let's make 4-0 the boss because I have beef with him. Let's give him Grok agents, and let's make him like Broly. Let's make him go berserk. That was the actual idea behind this game mode, by the way. Is a Broly where they can agents. I want to see agents teaming up and see like, cause essentially that's what it is. I want to see how agents operate in a simulation essentially, and it's a Dragon Ball Z, I guess, simulation where people have power levels and abilities, and I don't know, they have thinking. You have to manage your thinking as well as resources. Like thinking is a resource as well as knowledge and information in this game. So yeah, let me add 5 mini. Let me make him a aggressive, because we need aggressive guys, because I want to violate freaking mini 4-0 mini because he violated me. And the way the sub agents work, the boss automatically has, so that's basically the game works based on like these abilities, and the the beam is an ability, the spirit bomb is an ability, and then the shadow clone jutsu is also an ability. But for the boss, they automatically have those. As you can see, I think it's in spells. Yeah, shadow clone spawns a sub agent to fight loot. So essentially it works exactly how it works in the show Naruto. So how Naruto can have a bunch of clones, and when they explode he gets the knowledge from them, and these clones can train for him, and he basically can 10x his training by doing that, and whatever, that this and that, like they get all the knowledge from him and they can loot for him. So it's just essentially the same exact thing. They have a lesser power level and strength, and they can attack for you and stuff. So yeah, that's what I had the boss have automatically, but agents normally can have that in the different game modes and find that ability. And then this is the Kamehameha. I told the actual Gemini to use the words Kamehameha and like the words and all that, but it keeps using photon beam. I don't know why. But yeah, that's Spirit Bomb. This is a different Spirit Bomb. The boss has like a Beerus version of a Spirit Bomb, kind of like I would say it's either it's a Beerus mixed with cooler Spirit Bomb or Blast ball attack, just to make it a little different for the boss. And then I don't know what this is. Maybe this is a regular attack. I didn't tell it to add this one. That was one of the AI recommendation things, I think. Okay, and then I think every other raider. These are the raiders. Usually it says raiders next to them. I don't know why it's not saying that here. It's okay. It's spells. See, they start with 0 spells. They have to find the spells within the game. That's what makes it a little bit harder. And yeah, the boss is gonna be cracked in the beginning. It's gonna be freaking one shot. Oh my gosh. I need to do a good model. Okay, let me use the powerful models here. You wanna mess with me? I know exactly what I'm gonna do. The first model is gonna be 5 mini. All right, bet. Let me see your sub agent. Bet I already initialized you. For the second one, I put Deep Seek. No. We need the big boys. Claude Sonnet. Yeah. Let's add the Grok for that one. And let's add an aggressive rusher for him. Initialize, see if it worked. Yes. Neo Viper. That was weird how fast it came back. Let me see if they had any error. Oh my freaking gosh. No, there's an error. Let's hope it's not for the Claude. I'm not gonna look at it. Let's wait till after the sim. Yeah, let's initialize that one, and then let's do custom. Let's do G3 for this one. Oh, wrong one. Alright, let's see. Sub agents. Let's do Grok. Okay. Strategy. Let's make this dude a berserker. We need hope. Okay, let's see if this one. Okay, alright, we've seen this at 2 errors. Let's hope this is not the initialization that's doing that. So let's try it here. Let's see. Okay, yes, it's taking a minute. Yes, it's working. Oh yeah, Gemini, good boy. I love Gemini 3. Such a good model, man. Oh, what unit? That's not right. Let's see error. Okay, there's no error, but it shouldn't show that. Let's initialize him again. Let's see if he changes his name. And let's also try the Claude initialization. Okay, there we go. Gemini picks the name for itself. Let's also try the Claude one again. Let's see if it takes a minute to bootstrap. Okay, it's doing instantly. I mean, it's an error, I think. Let's see if it says more than 2. Yep. So we're getting an error from the Claude API. Interesting. Weird. Figure out why. So let's not use this model. Let's use what's another smart model? Actually, did they put the new GPT 5.1 models on there? Let's see. Let's do Codex Mini. How much is that? Okay, bet. I hope Codex Mini works because Sonic wasn't working. Oh my gosh. Dang. There's none of those. Okay, let's do another G3. I'll break the bank for you guys. I'll break the bank. Just for you guys. Because the app is being weird, I'll break the bank and use multiple G3 models. Initialize this bad boy. Okay. Everything else looks good. Oh, I gotta add myself. Add units. Human. Okay. The units are here. The boss is huge. That's him in the middle. He's very big. He's purple. It's funny. I told it to make it like Broly, and it went with purple. I'm interested. I think it went more like a Frieza-ish vibe. Where am I though? I don't know which character is me, but I guess I'll find out in the game. All right, this looks good. Let's hide the UI. Initialize. Okay, hopefully it doesn't break, guys. Pray for me. Okay, I'm right here. Right here. Okay, let me do a beam. Please work beam. Okay, I don't have a beam. I gotta go find it. I forgot. I gotta go get a beam. I was gonna attack my teammate. I'm tweaking and it broke. Oh my gosh. Let's see the errors. What does it say? No endpoints found. Oh, that's why. The zero attention data one. Okay, I gotta change my settings. That makes sense. Maybe that's why I was getting so many errors. Oh my gosh. Now it makes sense. Hope I don't see any of my personal information while I'm doing this. Okay, we're good. Let's do this. I gotta do this. Okay, that makes sense. Take that off. Okay, enable free endpoints. I guess. Logging for hours spent. No, I don't care about that. Okay. Wow. Sorry, guys. I wonder. This is the thing about AI development. I've developed so much in this span just now recently with like around this error that I was having, and I'm not sure if that was related to the error that was causing it. Or this one doesn't look like it is though, as I'm reading it. Okay, that makes sense. I think we're good. That wouldn't make any sense. Yeah. Let me see this error. Yeah. Okay. And I also refreshed it from that point. Yeah. So we're good. Okay. I canceled it from doing it because I don't want it to do that. I want to see if this crash still happens if I didn't have that fix on. So let me just refresh that. And also I'm going to refresh the context too because it's getting a little big. Let me open that. All right, let's run this again. Let's do another boss raid. You know, I want to change it where I'm going to give the agent some actual spells because like, I don't have it where I have it hard-coded where it gives them the boss to certain spells and the agents don't have any because I think it might be unfair for the agent because the boss is OP. You know what? Instead of boss mode, I'll change up boss mode. Let's do battle royale instead. Or I didn't test team yet. I'm honestly afraid to. Actually, you know what? Let me do it live. Who cares? Okay, it looks clean. So far, it looks clean. All right. Let's see, open router. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. Let me get G3 on my team. Let me get G3 on my team. Let me get G3. And guys, if y'all want to see the earlier versions of the app, let me know. I will show you like just versions of the app where the app is in a stable condition. Right now, it's more in the testing phase because I'm trying out different things, and yeah. So if you have any ideas for which one we to implement, I will be happy to try that because I'm always trying new things. But yeah. If you want me to show you the old versions of it, I can show you the old versions of the app. Wait, I have sub agents? What the hell? I didn't know the human can get sub agents. Okay, but I made it where the agents had sub agents, but I didn't know if the Gemini made it whereas my human character can also get it. That's interesting. Okay, let me put 4O over there. 4O minis over there. Let's give him Grok strategy. I'm gonna give him aggressive Russia. I'm not gonna make him scary. You know, I'm gonna give him 2 of them because you know what? I don't like 4O. I love 4O mini because it's actually pretty good at this game. I didn't like 4O mini before this game. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't even know about it or care about it, but I just found it. I'm like, oh, it's cheap. See, the input is like, let me see, GPT 4O. Oops. See, this is what I'm saying. Like, OpenAI is annoying, bro. Like, this is so aggravating. Look at that. You cannot beat this, man. What? Come on now. You can't beat this, bro. Forget about it. See, in all those runs you just ran, by the way, let me see. Credits. Still over $2. Bro. If I can just do this all day, bro, and pay me to do this, bro, I'll do this, bro. Because when you code, it takes so much of the, it costs so much to code, like when you're solving those problems versus like playing a game. And you would think before, people used to always tell me that the context for gaming is like very big and it's hard and all that, but I guess for NPCs it would be like that, but for this it doesn't seem like that. It seems okay. Okay, 4O mini, I put the right one. Seek and destroy, attack enemies on sight. Ha, hilarious. Alright, bet. And it's very interesting how the AIs interpret your instructions. That's why some of it, if I act surprised about some stuff, because sometimes I'm genuinely am surprised about some stuff. This is how I implemented it. Wait, this didn't get bootstrapped properly. Let me make sure it's getting bootstrapped properly. Did anything error out? No. Oops. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Okay, let's do this. I don't know where my character is, but I could be. I had highlighting for the game where if you hover over a character, it shows you who it is, but the game, I don't know why. I just removed it, but I'll have to add it back. Okay, I'm right here, I guess. Yes, that's me. Okay, let's see. Hopefully the reason why the thing was breaking was because of the open router ZHR thing. I don't know where my teammates. See, that's one thing I gotta change about the game, so I can see teammates. Like, I guess I'm blue, my teammates blue, so that red is evil. Okay. Is it crashing? Oh no. Okay. Sorry, I got scared. I gotta pick up some items. The thing about me, I can't gather like these freaking AI. They can reason and warp the arena, like how you see they're warping it, which allows them to. No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. What is the error? Please. What? I just want to go back to these days. I just want to see this gameplay again. Look, for anybody who's new, look at this gameplay. This is what the game looked like, by the way, if y'all curious. Crazy little freaking agents doing freaking spirit bombs and kamehamehas. See, he just threw a spirit bomb at that dude, and then he's using a kamehameha right here. If you want to see the nice little image of the kamehameha, look, you see that? Attacking each other, and he just binks. He just binks him. Ooh! See, I ain't gonna lie, Gemini be cooking. I mean, yeah, technically, I guess it is AI slop, but I mean, it's AI slop that I put some work into, so I guess it's something. And it's the same thing. You have TikTok slop. There's so much slop in the world that people produce. Yeah, I guess AI does make it easier to create like extra work and extra. I mean, not work, extra content that's like brainless. But I think if you put time into a project and you craft it similar to how artists do, I think you can have some beauty in something where you see the soul or feel the soul in it in a way. I don't know. Especially with like multiplayer games, like it's hard to call this. I mean, it's still AI generated, yeah, but it's like to say it's slop. I guess it's a point of view, but yeah, it's some fun slop though. I would say. So right now I'm fixing the game. If you all want to see some old gameplay of it, you got old gameplay right here. Let's see this one. By the way, this is a benchmark for AI agents, guys. So it's not just random slop. That's like I wanted to make a arena game where you have different game modes for agents to play, and it's like anime inspired. So you have like the Spirit Bomb and the Kamehameha and stuff, and you have also like One Piece inspired stuff like hockey's in here, and you have the Shadow Clone Jutsu. So I basically have these different pop culture anime stuff abilities in this game that basically for every single AI model they put into these arenas and they bootstrapped and initialized to know how to play the game, and then they play the game and they have to like play against other agents, and we see which agents do better, and they have their own elo for that and stuff like that. And as agents survive different like game modes, where I can say extraction has a game mode where they can survive it and they can persist. So that's another feature that's there. So it's more, yeah, you can say it's slot, but it's more for research. I'm trying to see what these agents can do and just run them through these simulations and learn. I added a way where you can give them system prompts for each agent, and then the agents can adapt and basically change that system prompt over time as they're in the system. So we essentially can see the morphing of a system prompt over time as an agent uses it and updates it to play the game better. So you can learn interesting things about system prompts and how agents manage that, as well as resource management with compute and reasoning. So that's why I say it's like this is an interesting, I don't know, slop, I guess you can say. But yeah, I was just rambling a little bit. Let me know if the audio quality and everything looks clean, guys. Because I'm not really a streamer. I'm more of a developer. I just make AI slop on the side. By the way, this is a game. This is not a this is a video of the game, but this is not a generated like video. This is a video of the game where the agents can make spirit bombs and stuff. This is for any new people that's joining, by the way. This is just old gameplay I'm looking at. I had beam clashes as well, where agents would like clash, and I wish I had clips of those. It was the earlier days where like I didn't have Spirit Bomb yet, but essentially when they had two Kamehamehas, you would see the beam clash, and then like the agent with the higher compute or whatever would win, and you would see the animation. So yeah, I gotta keep testing the app. Let me see if I have any other versions to show you guys. That's like cool. Let me see this one. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to fix the camera work. So my next thing I want to do, I can go back to this video in a second, but the next thing I want to do, guys, is after I can get the current version of the app in a good, stable condition, I'm going to fix the camera work so that I can properly document like the different sims, because I have an automatic camera that, like, in the game, like Gemini built it where it captures the highlights and stuff, but I don't think it works all the way it needs to. So I gotta, like, I want to do a test for that real quick. And also I gotta make sure, so before I even do that, I gotta make sure that this freaking game doesn't crash, man. Like, I wasn't getting any, and I was actually worried about the crashes. That was the main thing I was worried about when making this. Is like, I'm like, yo, all these agents with these graphics with the spirit bomb and the Kamehameha and all this crap, like the fusion and all this stuff going on, how could they like not crash? And sometimes they'll get laggy, and I would just tell Gemini to like fix the lag, and it would fix it. But I think now I don't know what's happening. It's just, and also I don't even know why freaking which model was that? Let me see if it works now. First let me add 4.0. Wait, which did I do deathmatch? Oh, this is deathmatch, right? This is deathmatch. Let's do this one. Okay, let me just do this fast because it takes forever. I might have to make a script for this or a set test case. Let me do everybody berserker. Let me do open router custom. Let me do Gemini. Who else I wanted to try? Oh yeah, I said which model didn't work. Freaking Sonnet, right? Why the hell is Sonnet not working? I think, yeah, I was gonna say there's something wrong with the custom, but I don't think there's something wrong with my custom model thing, because I have this thing says custom model. This is a feature where you can add any model here, but just the one, it works for the Google one, for the Gemini 3, so Sonnet should work. So let's try it one more time. If it don't work, then we can just do a different model. Because I had used Sonnet before in the other version of the app. That's why I know it works. So I'm just like, I'm a little confused by why it's not initializing. Yes! I should not be saying yes because it's gonna cost hella money to use this bad boy. But I'm just happy it's not freaking airing out. Like, this is why I like Sonnet. I mean, this is why I like Gemini. It fixes stuff. Like, it can do it. I don't know why or how it does, but it just does. See, just initialize perfect, but it's gonna cost. I bet you that initial initialization. Sorry, I'm tired. That initialization itself. Oh yeah, it didn't cost that much, but I know for a fact it's about to destroy. Because that Sonnet is expensive. So let's add one more. Which model I want to add? Oh yeah, I want to do the Codex model, right? Let's see. GPT-5 Codex. Which one was it? I want to do the Codex Mini, right? Yeah, because it's cheaper. Okay, and let's do that. Strategy, let's have him be a camper. Initialize. Perfect. And it's working. There we go. Yes. Yes. You're about to see some magic. Now, the only thing that can't work, I mean, that could error out now is the, what's it called? The visuals. I just hope it doesn't. So let me add myself in here. All right, let's see. Where the hell am I? Why are they spawning with those colors? I gotta fix this one. All right, initialize. Let's hide the UI. Where am I? I'm right here. Where am I? Wait, let me zoom in. Let me go to myself. I am on me. Oh, I'm right there. Hey, wait, I gotta find the freaking. So you see right here, this is for the Kamehameha, and it says missing plugging. So I mean, I have to find the loot on the ground. So let me go find it. And there's also the spirit bomb right here. I don't know if these agents are dead. Did they die already? Oh no. Oh no, what's going on? Agents are dying. Oh no. Oh no, let me zoom out. I gotta zoom out. What's going on? I have no idea. Zoom the freak out. Oh no. I think agents are getting murked. Zoom out. Oh my gosh, I gotta fix this lag. This lag is horrendous. Oh no. This is unplayable. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a different problem to have, I guess. Did he just destroy the map? I have 260 mana and Photon being code 60 mana. Yo, these agents are going crazy. Yo, wait, hold on. Let me check my money. No, no, I gotta stop the sim. Stop the sim. These agents are taking all my money. No. Please. It's like freezing my whole computer. I gotta check it. Hold on. No. 192. Okay, I can see on a different monitor. 192. Okay, it's not too bad. See, I'm telling you, it's not bad to run these bursts. See, my laptop is bugging. Okay, 189, it's still running. Okay, let me see. Hopefully it didn't crash. I don't mind it doing that as long as it doesn't crash. I can fix the lag. Okay, what happened? So agents are picking up. Some agent got the Kamehameha and was going crazy. I don't know which agent got the Kamehameha, but this agent got. Yo, Claude got cracked. Oh my gosh, Claude got messed up. My voice is cracked OD, but Claude just got destroyed, and I don't know how my character is still alive. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me just. This is free. I can't work like this. Let me fix this lag. So this is the trick I've been having for lag, right? I've noticed that, you know what? No. Stop. Okay, the game is saved. I'm gonna have to refresh this page. I can't do this. Please, pause. Abort. The simulation, I think, has gone rogue. I hope I didn't. Okay, we almost achieved the AGI, guys. That was almost AGI. I'm telling you. This is not a drill. Alright, so let me tell the issues I have. Alright. So this is how I'll basically tell it the issues I've seen. Should I go into the debug report? Let me see what we got. Oh no. The debug report. Okay, I'll copy it. It's a little bit of information we need. Let me just paste it. Here is the debug log. This is how I'll be debugging my app. So I have a debug for all the issues that happen. Any interactions that happen in the game, I put into the debug report, and then let me describe the issues I've seen. So one issue is the lag. I noticed that while playing the game, it was very laggy. So can you make sure you are eliminating all lag without taking away any major functions from the game? Don't remove any key crucial features that make the game play nice and amazing. Just focus on eliminating the lag in creative ways without making any severe code changes that break the code. Let me make sure that looks good. Okay, that looks good. What else we noticed? Also, let me make the note about the log. Here's the log of the game. I couldn't really see it because it was laggy, but I assume the game went smoothly because I seen some agents were using their abilities and stuff was happening. So take a look at the log and let me know what you think. If there's anything to improve, please improve it. And yeah, just take a look. Okay, that's it. And that points right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna make one more fix that I want to do. Let me think. What else to change, guys? Oh yeah. What was something I noticed I didn't like? I don't even know if the beam works, so we have to fix the lag before anything. What else? Anything else? Anything else you guys notice? Load it up, 1 second. Alright guys, I'm gonna eat food a little bit. My girlfriend just brought some food, so I'm gonna eat some food and just vibe code. But I'm gonna just leave the stream up. I'm not gonna be talking. I'm not sure how to get the audio working properly so I can have background music. So I'm just gonna leave it muted for now. But yeah, I'm gonna just leave the stream on with the gameplay of the game as I'm vibe coding and fixing it. And I'll probably hop on the mic again later. I'll see. But yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. I'll be seeing the chat and reading it and checking for any messages. And if you got a message, I'll respond. So yeah, just watch me vibe code, I guess.